Okay, here's the, got all that finished up with the heat shield and got the fairing back on. Want to make sure all the lights work because I know somebody would be like, did you check the lights? Yes, I checked the lights. I've got a whole bunch of lights in here, so it's pretty bright. So we got tail lights working. And we got headlights and blinkers working. So we're good to go. It does feel a little more solid. It doesn't have that hollow, thumpy feel. Hear how solid that is? It used to sound like that. So I definitely think there was one area it was rubbing and it kind of tore because I had to work the thing on. But once I got it on, it was good. I had one screw left over. I'm not sure where that went, but I'm sure it'll be all right. It's not left over. I replaced it with another screw, you big crybabies. You don't know what you're doing. You left the screw. Shut up, you freaking. All right, so back on, everything works, and we'll see how it works. Got the door fixed. That was the original project. That broke. That started all this. Anyway, we'll end that there.